Hello and welcome to this tutorial, where Johan will show you how to use the Fronius Job Editor in Visual Components OLP.
Hello, Johan here from Visual Components. Today I'm going to show you how to connect to your Fronius power source through Visual Components 5.0 and newer versions. First of all, you want to be in the Program tab for this to work. So you will need to go to Extras and then to Power Source Connection and Fronius Job Editor. And Fronius Job Editor will open up here. You will need to know the IP address where your Fronius power source is at the moment and make sure that it's connected. And then the username and password for this power source. Once you have connected to it, you will be able to see the power source model, the part number, and the serial number of it. You can only clone jobs, so you cannot create anything from scratch. So you will need to have a standard job that you can use. This one you can then rename to whatever you want. Here you can now do all the changes you want. And after you have finished with that, you can either decide if you want to delete it or if you want to upload it. But keep in mind that once you have uploaded it, you cannot delete it. You can only delete it directly if you are physically with the power source. So you cannot delete it from VC. You can only clone and do changes, but once you have uploaded, you are no longer able to make any changes. And that's all you need to know about how to connect to Fronius Job Editor. Good luck, and thank you for watching.